Introduction. Internet marketing can mean a lot of things. For some, internet marketing is practically synonymous with affiliate marketing. This is the process of selling products made by other people in order to earn commission. But internet marketing can be more than that too. Of course, internet marketing can mean building a website or a blog, building a massive audience for that platform, and then making money from adverts, Google AdSense for instance, or selling your own products. Internet marketing might mean selling a digital product such as an ebook or an online course. Internet marketing might mean selling something physical. Internet marketing may mean promoting a website as the end in itself, simply building a channel so that you can spread the word about something that's important to you, or so that you can try to promote yourself to grow your own career. I recently spoke to a group of creative writers and explained to them how learning the basics of marketing on the web could allow them to promote themselves and find publishers. And of course, internet marketing might mean marketing an existing business in order to gain more customers and make more sales. Any small business should be interested in marketing themselves online. The fact of the matter is, internet marketing means getting the word out on the web, and it means creating brilliant content. And if you can do either or both of those things, then you can make the web work for you. Once you do that, then pretty much anything is possible. Literally. We'll see later in this training how the ability to work online can allow pretty much any of your wildest dreams and plans to come true. Whether that means earning a passive income and traveling the world, or whether it means growing a massive business or working on projects that you are truly passionate about and getting paid for it. The only problem is that very few people have any idea what makes the web tick. People tell me they want to start their own business selling crafts, or they tell me that they want to start blogging for fun, but they have zero clue what that entails. What is SEO? What is marketing? If you're sitting there smugly thinking that you already know the basics of internet marketing, then time for a reality check. Because even if you know the basics of internet marketing, there's a good chance that you don't have all of the advanced skills you need to really make any project into a success. In this training, then, I'm going to start by outlining those basics. I'm going to teach you Internet Marketing 101 for those of you with no prior experience. This is what makes the web tick. This is your bread and butter. But from there, I'm then going to dive into the much more advanced stuff that many internet marketing gurus in reality have no idea about whatsoever. You will learn skills here that will put you head and shoulders above the competition. You will learn tools that will make you immensely employable, to the point that you are never without work. And you'll be able to turn any idea or concept into a reality.